1, 2, 2.5. Ready or not, here I come! There's nowhere to hide on Halloween night. We're all out to get you!
Good to see all of you, and welcome back to all my new subscribers. Once in a while, I do a review for you, and I know you're probably waiting for episode 8 of my fall baking series, which will be coming any day now. Every once in a while, I like to do a review. And let me give you a little background. About a mile from my house is a Trader Joe's, and I love Trader Joe's, one of my favorite stores. You never know what you're going to find in there, and especially around the holidays. Oh, well, we had heard that Trader Joe's was moving a brand new little strip mall about a mile away in the other direction, right next door to a brand new Ulta store. Diva's in her glory. And a Panera's is going to be in there too. Imagine that. Go have lunch at Panera's and shop around Ulta, and then hit Trader Joe's. What could be better? Perfect afternoon. But anyway, I went to check out their new store the other day. OMG. That store is probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 times the size of the other store. They have everything in there. And of course, you know, it's pumpkin season. Although from what I've been told, the pumpkin things are going like crazy. That's one thing about Trader Joe's. If you don't get in there and get the stuff, it's gone. So I went in there. Oh, did I have fun with my pumpkin. Let me see what I bought. Oh, I bought my favorite that I buy every year, and I bought a couple of them because I didn't want to take a chance they'd be gone. I bought the pumpkin cream cheese. Oh, that is so good. And of course, there was pumpkin bagels there. So I bought them. Well, every morning for several days, I was having a pumpkin bagel with that pumpkin cream cheese. So, so, so delicious. I bought a pumpkin pie in there. Oh, I'm trying to remember. There was just pumpkin everywhere. What else did I buy? Oh, I think I bought a pumpkin cereal. I'm trying to remember. I did buy a lot of stuff. Probably too much stuff. But anyway, it's fun this time of the year. But what I spotted, and it looked like they were going fast, was this can of pumpkin chocolate chunk oatmeal cookie mix. And it looked pretty interesting. And I was reading on there that you only had to add like water, egg, and I think a stick of butter. So I thought I'm going to try it. And then I said, well, wait a minute. Let me try it now, and I'll do a review for you on it. So what do you say? We get started? All right. So this says on it, well, if you want to stock up on them, it says best by March 15th, 2022. So I guess this isn't going to go bad for a while. And it's 1 pound, 6 ounces. Let me see what it says on the back. 24 servings, so you're supposed to get 24 cookies out of this. Yeah, and it looks like you have to just add water, a large egg, this mix, and a stick of softened salted butter. So we're going to make this today, and then we're going to do a taste testing, and I'll let you know what I think. So it says on here, let me see the directions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Using a mixer on low speed, combine the cookie mix, 1 large egg, 1 stick of softened butter, and 2 tablespoons of water until the cookie dough comes together. Sounds easy enough. Ooh, look at that. Can you see it? All those big chunks of chocolate in there. So I'm going to put that, oh, wow, in my mixer. Ooh, if you like pumpkin spice and everything nice, you're going to like this. All right, so I have my 1 large egg here. I have 2 tablespoons of water. And I have 1 stick of softened salted butter. Alrighty, I'm gonna do what they're telling me to do. I'm gonna put this mixer on low speed, mix this all together. I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350 degrees. I'm gonna put some parchment paper, it says, on my cookie sheet, and then I will be back, so don't go away. Okay, I'm back. Oh, I did think of something else I bought. I bought the pumpkin body butter in the little round tub. Oh, that smells so good. I mean, cold weather's coming. Gotta keep your skin soft, right? So anyway, I've mixed this. Look at this. It says mix it until it comes together. And it did, and it smells glorious. So I have my cookie sheet here. I put a piece of parchment paper on it. And let's see what it says on this can. Form 24 even-sized balls and bake on a parchment-lined cookie sheet for 14 to 16 minutes, and then allow them to cool before you take them off. So I'm going to start putting them on my cookie sheet here. Now, I was working solo today, but a munchkin just walked down into the dining room, and I'm going to start putting these
Hello.
hi Lucas, I'm going to start putting these dough balls down, and I'm going to have Lucas, he's
Zoom
done this for me
in on
before,
them.
wait a minute, he's going to very slowly come down onto the cookie sheet, very slowly, and I'm going to start putting these little balls, they're saying. I think I'm going to roll them a little and put these little balls on the cookie sheet. And then, after I bake them for the 14 to the 16 minutes, wait a minute, Lucas, I'll hold this up for you in a second. We're gonna do a taste testing, and this is going to be my review on the Trader Joe's Pumpkin Chocolate Chunk Oatmeal Cookie Mix.
Your head is getting cut off.
Oh, don't cut off my head. Don't cut off my head. So this is what they're going to look like. I'm going to finish these off camera. I'm teaching Lucas, because, you know, he does live here a lot now. And I think I'm going to have him start to take over for the cameraman. What do you think, Lucas?
Okay,
All right.
your head is not cut off
Oh,
anymore.
thank you very much. Okay, so let me finish doing these. Come up for a minute. And wait, Lucas, where'd the cameraman go? The cameraman can't walk away. The cameraman's putting on a hat. Oh boy. He's dancing around in my witch hat. Oh.
I will put this on here.
Oh no, that's okay. I'm not dressed as a witch today.
Oh yes,
Okay.
that's fine.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, thank you, Lucas. All right, let me hold.
You're a witch.
Okay, let me hold this up. Take one quick, slow close-up of my cookie sheet, and then I'm gonna get these babies.
Does the camera go down somehow?
On that long thing, yes, that.
This?
Very slowly. Okay, very slowly.
Let me just take this off.
No, that doesn't come off. That stays on the camera. All right. Are we good?
No.
We're not good. All right, well, don't worry about it. You got it in before. All right, so I'm going to say to everybody, don't go away. Stay tuned. I'll be back as soon as I take these out of the oven.
Boo! Bye-bye!
Right. I just took the cookies out of the oven. Now, oh, do they smell delicious. They're red hot now. Lucas, did you focus in on them? Zoomed in? Yeah. So I'm going to wait till they cool, because it says let them cool a little bit before you take them off. And then I'm going to do a taste testing. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so it looks to me like these little gems are cool.
Let me just zoom in on
Oh, well, I'm going to put them on the cooling rack now.
Let's just...
I think they're pretty cool anyway. A little bit warm. I'm dying to taste one. Oh yeah. I still have the rest of them to make, but
I
this
kind
is,
of want to taste one.
yeah, this is just my first
What is it?
batch.
What is it?
Oh, they're delicious, Lucas. You'll have to wait and see. Let me taste one. Gonna make another tray after this. Alrighty. So let me
Okay.
bring this over so I can do a taste testing. Here
I'm
we
just
go.
taking a zoom on that.
Here we go.
That's good.
Ooh,
Wait,
they look good.
wait.
Chewy. Warm,
Of course they're warm. They just came out the oven.
chewy. They're very chewy. Very, very chewy.
Why do you think they would be chewy?
I'm tasting the spices in there. The chocolate chip. Let me taste another bite.
Why don't you take another bite?
I think they're good. I will be honest.
Grandma, take another bite.
I think they're very, this is my honest review. They're very pumpkin spicy.
Let's
They are.
just take a zoom on those.
They're very
babies.
pumpkin spicy. If you don't like pumpkin spice,
You wouldn't like
you're
those.
probably not going to like them. But if you like pumpkin spice,
If you like pumpkin, you would probably like
you'll
those.
like them. So, I'm going to give them, well, out of a 0 to 10, and I think I'm going to give them maybe a 7. I think they're good. Don't get me wrong. I think they're very good. They're a little too spicy for me, but they are good. So I say give them a try.
Take another
I mean,
bite.
really, you can very seldom find anything that isn't good in
Grandma,
Trader Joe's.
take a bite.
Another one?
Yeah.
How about I put the whole cookie in my mouth?
Yeah.
Oh.
I zoomed in on your
Oh, God,
mouth.
thanks.
I zoomed in on your mouth while you were eating it 3
No,
times.
I say I give them a 7.
3 times.
They're not bad. They're good. They're just a little too pumpkin-y spicy for me.
Pumpkin-y.
So anyway,
See.
thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below. What should they do, Lucas?
Subscribe.
Okay.
Ow.
Yeah, subscribe, hit that little bell, and you'll get a notification from YouTube when I have a new video up. And everybody,
She's right.
stay
Yeah.
tuned.
Halloween in a few days.
But in a few days, Lucas will be episode 8 of my fall baking series, and they don't want to miss that.
That's good. I saw all of them
All right.
already.
So, Lucas, thank you for filming today,
Kudos.
and I'll see you all very soon. Love you.